Hey everyone! Ever notice some keys on your keyboard don't do anything when you press them? Maybe they're just waiting for a special trick to work. Today we're going to figure out why that happens with the function key and some special keys that need it to work. Why don't these keys work by themselves? And how can you tell which ones they are? Let's begin. The reason some keys seem inactive is that they're designed to offer additional functionality when used with the function key. This clever design allows keyboards, especially on compact devices like laptops, to maintain a minimalist layout while providing a wide range of features. How to spot dual-purpose keys. Identifying which keys are dual-purpose and require the function key is simpler than you might think. Here are some visual cues to look out for. Matching colors. Many keyboards use the same color for the text or symbols on dual-purpose keys as on the function key itself. This color coordination is a clear indicator that these keys have secondary functions accessible with the function key. Symbols within borders. On some keyboards, you'll find that certain keys, like print screen, have their symbols or text enclosed in a box or outlined. This specific design choice matches a similar box or outline on the function key, signaling that these keys work together. For example, a print screen key might have a box around it, just like the function key, hinting that pressing function key and print screen together captures your screen. A speaker icon for volume control, a sun icon for brightness adjustments, the Wi-Fi symbol for enabling/disabling wireless connectivity, a monitor for projecting your screen to another display, and notably, the print screen key on some keyboards. To activate these secondary functions, press and hold the function key. While holding function key, press the key with the desired function. Release both keys to execute the function. If dual-purpose keys don't work as expected, even with the function key, ensure your system and keyboard drivers are up to date. Sometimes, functionality issues are resolved with the latest updates. Some systems allow you to alter the default behavior of the function key through BIOS settings. Accessing BIOS usually requires hitting a specific key like F2, F10, or delete as your computer starts. For unique keyboard features or function key controls, refer to your device's manual. It's the ultimate guide to your specific model's intricacies.